Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to tutorial number 3. Today we will go to do we can say to create an admin super user and see how the admin is working. Okay, so as in Django they have their own admin template has been built inside. So let's start it. Okay, so we will first go to the folder. Let's go and create the folder which is okay, let's enter the folder and let's say as you know first thing is py manage py create super user and run it. So username give a blank to use. Okay, we will just give it admin. Enter. Let's just give a random name. It's not important that you should give, but let's say admin.com. Password we will give default as admin again. Saying this the repository must contain. Okay, would you like just say yes because we give a weak password. So it's asking yes, enter. Okay, so once we create it, let's go and check our admin. So you will give here slash admin slash enter. Okay, so we give our name is admin and password. Okay, so now we created admin user name. So this is the basically admin database where you can create a users, where you see how it shows the super users. Okay, you can change inside the admin like first name, last name, email address, how the filters, groups, access to the user permissions, last login, date of join, delete, save, add another one. And here you have the groups where you can create a group. Here you can create a group and the group name with having their permission so you can assign the user with their groups. Okay. So now let's do a little bit changes. Let's change the names of this one, right? And a change of and a change of header and the site title. Here it mentions site administration and the Django site. So let's go back and okay, let's start. So we will go to use the URL. Okay, so here we are going to import from the Django dot contrib import admin. Okay, why we are calling this part? Because if you go to the settings where it shows that we are calling install app as comfort admin. This is the basically where the built-in template has been ready. So for customize, we are going to do some changes in here. Okay. So now as we said, we are going first to change the title, right? So let's give the title. Let's change this one site administrator. Okay, so let's give the title as admin dot site dot index underscore title. Okay, let's give the name my FIRST first project. Or okay, let's go give the name stuff. STAF. Let's make it capital. Okay, so let's go and see is there any changes done or no. Let's refresh. Wow, stuff. Okay, so let's log out and try and see. Log out, log in again. Admin. Okay, stuff. So now let's change the header. So the similar command, but instead of title, we will mention header. Header. Okay, so let's give a stuff name we get. So let's give us my first admin page. Nice. So let's say okay. Now let's say my first project, Pedro. Project. So let's refresh. Okay. Did I save it? Yes, I save it. So let's go. Okay, let's go log out and try and see. Admin, admin. What's the reason why it's not checking? Why the title is not been changing? Let's see. Oh, okay. It's not index. Sorry, it should be site as code header, not similar. It should be site. So refresh. Yeah, okay. My first project. Let's log out and see. Yeah, here also it's showing my first project login. My first project included here too. Okay, admin, login. Yes, okay. Now let's change here also the Django site admin. Let's change it stuff and we will mention admin page. So here we are going to mention the admin page. For that, we will use admin dot site dot site and title equal to admin page. Let's refresh and check it. Oh, good. Yeah, it's almost shown admin page. Oh, it's look cool, right? Yes. Thank you, guys.